Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best auto parts is probably one of the most crucial decisions for any vehicle owner, whether you're a seasoned mechanic tackling complex repairs or a DIY enthusiast performing routine maintenance, because selecting the right components directly impacts your vehicle's performance, safety, and longevity, making it essential to choose a reliable source that offers a wide selection of high-quality products at competitive prices, ensuring your ride stays in top condition without breaking the bank. Number 5. GOOACC 240 PCS Bumper Retainer Clips Kit. Fixing your car's trim or fender can be a hassle, especially when you need specific fasteners. Finding the right parts often means multiple trips to the store. This comprehensive kit offers 12 popular sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for various car models. It's ideal for replacing retainers on door trims, bumpers, fenders, and more, across major brands like Ford, GM, and Toyota. With 240 pieces included, you'll have everything you need, avoiding costly trips to the auto parts store. Plus, it comes with a free fastener remover to make your work even easier. Crafted from high-quality materials with heavy-duty construction, these retainers are designed for durability. They won't easily break or crack, providing a reliable and long-lasting solution for your vehicle. The kit comes in a plastic box with 12 compartments, keeping everything neatly organized. Its compact size makes it convenient to store in your garage or carry in your car for on-the-go repairs. What we like. This kit offers an incredible variety of sizes, ensuring you have the right clip for almost any vehicle. If you're a DIY enthusiast who frequently works on different car brands, this comprehensive set will save you countless trips to the auto parts store. It's perfect for quickly tackling various repair jobs without hassle. What people say. Number 4. Autel MS300 OBD2 Scanner Code Reader. Designed for car DIYers and beginners, this plug-and-play scanner pays for itself on first use. It connects via a standard 16-pin OBD2 cable and is powered directly by your vehicle, requiring no batteries. It quickly scans for diagnostic trouble codes, pinpointing emission-related issues in seconds. Start your repairs by understanding the problem. This tool reads diagnostic codes in seconds, helping you quickly locate problem areas. You can then decide if you can fix it yourself or need a mechanic, and clear the codes to restore normal operation. Is your check engine light bothering you? Often, it's a minor issue, like a loose gas cap. With this scan tool, you can quickly read the code to discover why it's on and then reset it, saving you unnecessary repair costs. Avoid failing your annual smog check by ensuring your car's OBD2 readiness monitors are ready. This scanner retrieves IM readiness status, checking monitors like misfire, fuel system, and O2 sensors. It helps prepare your vehicle to pass with confidence. This car code reader supports all OBD2 protocols, making it compatible with 99% of OBDI-compliant vehicles, including passenger cars and light trucks. It comes with a 12-month warranty and free lifetime technical support for your peace of mind. Feel free to contact us for any assistance. What we like. Designed for beginners, this scanner makes diagnosing car issues incredibly straightforward. If you're looking for a simple, plug-and-play tool to understand why your check engine light is on, this is your go-to. It helps you quickly identify problems and clear codes, potentially saving you money on mechanic visits. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the requirements. Number 3. INNOVA 5110 Car Scanner. This device quickly reads and clears check engine light codes on most 1996 and newer OBD2 vehicles. It's ideal for car, truck, and SUV owners seeking simple and reliable diagnostics. Know if your vehicle will pass a smog test before you even go to the station. It shows IM readiness monitors, allowing you to fix potential issues in advance. View critical engine data captured exactly when a fault occurred. Plus, you can access Mode 6 for advanced diagnostic information, providing deeper insights into your vehicle's health. Easily check your battery voltage and the health of your charging system. This is a must-have feature before you consider replacing expensive components. Pair it with the free Repair Solutions 2 app to access ASE-certified fixes, parts information, and maintenance schedules. No subscription is required to unlock these valuable resources. What we like. Beyond just reading codes, this device offers a crucial battery and charging system test, a feature often overlooked in basic scanners. If you want a tool that not only diagnoses engine lights but also helps you monitor your vehicle's power health, this one provides valuable insights. Plus, its app integration offers verified fixes. What people say. Number 2. FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 Scanner. This device helps you quickly identify issues by reading fault codes. Just ensure your ignition is on and the check engine light is illuminated for accurate results. It acts as your car's check engine light doctor, allowing you to read diagnostic trouble codes and turn off that annoying light. Remember, it only clears codes permanently after the underlying issue is fixed. Monitor your vehicle's performance in real time with live data graphing. You can track oxygen sensors, fuel trims, and more to spot trends and suspicious values. This tool offers advanced OBDII modes, including O2 sensor and EVAP system tests. These features help optimize your car's air-fuel ratio, improve fuel economy, and reduce emissions. It supports a wide range of OBDII protocols, ensuring broad compatibility with many vehicles. This device works with most 1996 US-based, and 2000 EU-based and Asian cars, light trucks, and SUVs. Prepare for emissions testing with ease using its IM readiness hotkeys and clear LED indicators. It gives you instant confidence, so you know your vehicle is ready before heading to the test center. This compact and rugged tool is a must-have for any home mechanic. With its easy-to-read color screen, you can simply plug it in and start diagnosing without any complex setup. What we like. For those who want a deeper dive into their vehicle's performance, this scanner provides live data graphing, allowing you to monitor various sensors in real time. If you're a home mechanic who enjoys tracking trends and spotting subtle issues before they become major problems, its advanced diagnostic capabilities are a huge advantage. It's a robust tool for detailed analysis. What people say. Number 1. Never forget floppy disk retro Geek t-shirt. Remember the good old days? This shirt brings back a wave of nostalgia for a time when technology was simpler, yet revolutionary. It's a tribute to an iconic era. Featuring the classic floppy disk, its design is instantly recognizable to anyone who grew up in the 90s. It's a symbol of early computing that shaped our digital world. Are you a tech enthusiast with a love for vintage gadgets? This is the perfect way to express your passion. It's more than just clothing, it's a statement. Bring a smile to faces with this humorous nod to the past. It's a fun and light-hearted way to celebrate the tech that started it all. You'll love its playful charm. Looking for a unique present for a friend or family member who loves retro tech? This makes an excellent gift for any occasion. They'll appreciate its thoughtful and nostalgic appeal. Beyond its unique design, it offers great comfort for everyday wear. You can proudly showcase your geek pride in style. It's designed for both look and feel. What we like. This unique item is a fantastic way to express your personality and love for classic tech. If you appreciate a good laugh and want to showcase your nostalgic side, this shirt is a perfect fit. It makes an excellent gift for anyone who remembers the good old days of floppy disks. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.